Hi guys, and welcome to Cooper Motorcycles. Today I want to talk to you about Himalayan 450 exhaust options. As with every bike, when it comes down to exhaust, there's lots of different options. There's lots of different manufacturers for end cans, D-cats, front pipes, and everything in between. So today we're going to talk to you a little bit more about a couple of different options that we supply, talk to you through the benefits of each one, and just give you a brief overview, and more importantly, let you have a listen so you see what you think. So this is the standard pipe that you get on the Himalayan 450. So it's quite small and compact. You've got a nice heat shield there. The way that they make this nice and small and compact is by having the cat separate, which is under the bike. So yeah, this is a standard one. Let's start it up and have a little listen, see what you think. So next up we have the Powerage exhaust. This is a D-cap pipe and silencer. As you can see, the bike retains its sort of standard looks with this pipe. So this pipe looks very, very standard in shape and size. Obviously the pipe itself is probably about the same weight as the original one. The main weight saving with this is obviously with the D-cap, which obviously saves a little bit of weight and helps you unlock the sound and a little bit more power and torque as well. So let's get this one outside and have a listen, see what you think. So next up, we've got the HP Corse Titanium. This is a Cerakote black pipe. It's actually got a service guard on it at the moment, which covers some of it up, which is a bit of a shame. However, it does look after it and keep it protected. So yeah, this is the HP Corse one. So this bike's actually running the full system from HP Corse. So you've got a new, bigger diameter free flow down pipe, D-cap pipe, and then obviously the silencer as well. So this this is probably the lightest one that we do. So you save a bit of weight saving, and obviously with the full system, obviously you're unlocking even more sort of power and torque. And then if you pair that with a free flow air filter and intake kit, obviously you're going to get the most sort of power out of that. So this one comes in black and silver. Both of them come with a nice little carbon heat shield. Yeah, we'll get this one outside, fire it up and see what you think to this one. So that's a little comparison for you from the standard pipe, the Powerage, and then the HP Corse. Both Powerage and HP Corse are available for you to order from ourselves. You can either do that online on our website, come into the store, or give us a call. We're hoping to get these bikes on the dyno soon, so we can compare what sort of power differences you're getting with the D-cat and the N-can, and then the full system like we've got on this one here. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.